Yo, what's up guys? Andy from Tap Lab here, back at it with another video. Today we're doing a Google Trends analysis, and we're going to kind of take a look at the crypto market and NFTs in specific compared to Bitcoin, and to see if NFTs are still small, if they still have room to grow, things like that. So let's go ahead and type in Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin is going to be like the biggest thing in the crypto market for sure. And it's kind of its own thing. It's its own blockchain, as to where NFTs will be on a bunch of different blockchains. So this takes a look at the past 12 months. We can see that about a year ago we were up near 100, and in May we were at 100 as well. And since then, interest has kind of dropped a little, all the way down to 24 here in September. And by the way, this Google Trends just takes data from all over the place: search terms, media, news, mentions, social media, things like that, and just gives it a score of like how many people are seeking this information at this time. So now let's type in NFT. So you can see overall NFTs are very small compared to Bitcoin so far. You can see they made a major run up this year, like gain in popularity. They've kind of been steady ever since then. Now let's go ahead and type in NFTs just to make sure we're looking at the most popular one. So NFTs, more people are searching for NFT. I just like to make sure we're looking at the best information here before I give my thoughts. So NFT, still very small compared to Bitcoin, especially when we have NFTs on probably dozens of blockchains at this point. So people are searching for NFTs on Ethereum, NFTs on Solana, NFTs on Cardano, NFTs on Tron, all of these different blockchains, and it's still very small in comparison to Bitcoin. And this is looking at information in the United States over the past 12 months. Let's do worldwide actually, see how that's looking. So worldwide, pretty much the same story here over the past 12 months. Looks like the most interest in Bitcoin is coming from Germany and a lot of foreign countries actually. So maybe the currencies aren't as strong in these countries and they're looking for alternative options like Bitcoin. Let's look at related searches to Bitcoin: GME, AMC, so a lot of the weird meme stocks. And then let's look at search terms related to NFT. We've got OpenSea and NFT games, and how to make an NFT. So maybe some people are trying to capitalize off the NFT craze. But yeah, NFT is still relatively small. You can see even in these times, just a few months ago, NFTs are like 1/10 of the popularity of Bitcoin. So still small, lots of room to grow, lots of room for improvement. And really it's just the beginning. Most people know NFTs just for being like an image or a JPEG or an artwork. And as you guys have seen in my videos, there's a lot more you can do with NFTs. There's a lot you can do with the NFT token type, whether you add liquidity to it or tokens or data or information, media. There's all kinds of stuff you can do with NFTs. We discuss this stuff a lot in the Sync Discord, so definitely join that as well if you want to be involved in some discussions where we're talking about really smart things that could happen with NFTs. I've also heard the guys at Lazy Lions talking about some of that stuff in their Twitter space as well, so shout out to them. But yeah, just want to do this quick analysis. NFTs versus Bitcoin, still very small, still lots of room to grow. Let's type in DeFi here. DeFi also has lots of room to grow. DeFi even smaller than NFTs at this point. So I think DeFi and NFTs will kind of combine a little bit. Some financial NFTs will be the future of NFTs. But we'll see what happens. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.